Airstreams are the oldest and by far the most distinctive trailers on the road. They've been on American highways for more than 75 years, and the Airstream has really become an icon of American culture. Perhaps its most distinguishing feature is its timeless shape. Even from afar, the rounded cap and aluminum body is immediately recognizable as an Airstream. The end caps are made from flat sheets of aluminum that are first formed on a stretch-form press. The pieces are clamped down, and then the hydraulic press is used to create the concave shape. It's rated for 100 tons of pressure. The form piece is then removed and cut down the middle. Each half will become a separate piece. The excess is cut off, and individual pieces are then clamped and molded to give each piece its unique shape. Alignment holes are drilled in the points, and the excess is trimmed. Rivet holes are then punched along the edges where the piece will join to another. The separate pieces are assembled on the main floor of the manufacturing plant in Jackson Center, Ohio. Depending on the model, as many as 10 separate aluminum pieces will be used to form just the end shell. They're mounted on a metal frame, and when the pieces are assembled, holes are cut for the windows, which are also manufactured on site. Aluminum channel stock is bent in a hydraulic form to create specific sizes and shapes. There are some 26 different window models created here. And after the frames are made, fasteners and glass are attached to complete the custom units. The trailer walls are created in much the same way as the end cap. Hand-bent aluminum ribs are snapped into place on large wall forms. Rivet holes are then drilled into the individual pieces. The aluminum sheathing is then attached to the frame and riveted into place. The riveted shell is designed to flex like an aircraft, while at the same time it offers incredible strength and durability. The floors of the trailers are cut from several pieces of plywood to the patterns that match the shape of the base. The end shells and walls are then placed around the floor, and a team of 8 assembly technicians swarms all over the unit, riveting the pieces together. Depending on the model, as many as 24 pieces of aluminum are used to create a single trailer shell. Each piece is 0.04 of an inch thick. Airstream estimates its trailers have between 1,200 and 4,500 rivets in a single unit, depending on the model. Holes for the windows are cut from templates placed directly on the aluminum, and the windows are installed. The roof, which is also made of aluminum, is then dropped into place, and it too is riveted to the shell. Then the whole body assembly is lifted and placed on top of its chassis. Immediately, work begins on finishing the unit. First, the wiring is installed. About 1,500 feet of wiring go into a typical Airstream. Then the doors are cut, and they're fitted and installed. All the doors are made right here at the Jackson Center plant. To make sure they're completely watertight, each unit is drenched with hurricane-force rains in this water check booth. An inspector remains inside to detect and fix any leaks that might be spotted. 2.5 inches of insulation is then fitted in the frame, and the walls of aluminum and other materials are installed. Residential quality plumbing fixtures are assembled on site and then installed along with residential grade PVC pipes. All the tanks are heated, and the outside pipes are all insulated with R8 insulation. Premium grade residential vinyl flooring and premium carpet with residential padding are installed over the subfloor. Virtually all the furniture and cabinets are custom made right here. Each piece is designed to make sure it can fit through the main door of the cabin. The units are then secured to the aluminum frame. All the lighting fixtures and other accessories are then installed. The trailer then goes through a rigorous quality control inspection to make sure everything works the way it's supposed to. Appliances, plumbing, heating, and so on. There are about 250 different items that get checked before a unit is released. From 240 to 320 man-hours go into the production of a single Airstream trailer. Finally, the trailers are cleaned from top to bottom to remove all the debris, dust, and fingerprints. When an owner walks into his or her new Airstream, it's sparkling clean. The unit then leaves the plant for delivery to its owner at one of 100 dealers around the country, and these things are built to last. More than 65% of the Airstreams ever built in its 75-year history are still on the road.